some point, you and Earth become one. Respect that that's where the journey begun. The trees fill our lungs, allowing us to breathe. The sun interacting with our skin, allowing for us to be sun-kissed. Strong and greatly felt, with the absence of lips. Water appears so calm, but silently, it's just an illusion. Same as hours we call time. Doesn't matter how you cherish it, you still lose it. Grass cut faithfully surrounding the roots of a maple tree. Like air, it can be felt, but not grasped. How can that be? I spoke in frustration and asked God, does he see me? And he answered me.
What more shall you be given? Change your perspective and you'll understand I am the end and I've always been with you since the beginning.